Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on how to add CSS into our HTML document. And quickly, this is what we're going to use right now. We are going to use inline CSS. Using inline CSS, an inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline styles, add the style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. Inline styles are defined within the style attribute of the relevant element. As you can see, like this, the h1 tag is having the style attribute. Inside the style attribute, we are having our properties along with this with their values. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's reload our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the internal style. This is called internal styling. So now let's use our inline styling. Let's remove this. I will not remove it yet because I will need this. I need all this code. Let me copy it. I need all these codes. No, I need this code right here, but I'm going to do something right now so you can be able to know how this works quickly. Let me define this one by themselves. Let's say this to add inline style. Definitely inside this your h1 tag right here, you're going to do something nice with it. What are you going to do? You're going to give it attribute. Firstly, let's save our document like this so you can see how our document look first. Can you see our document don't have any style now right now? Now to give it a style, now let's give it style attribute. I give the h1 style attribute, then you can specify. Let's give it color red. I give it color red. Let's save your document. Can you see the color applies to it? And the same thing goes to the other one also. Let's create style again. Let's give it border. Let's give this one text align. Let's give it center. You're going to see. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's aligned to the center? The third one also, you can give it style again. Can give it border, and we can give it one piece solid red. Let's reload it. Can you see it is having one piece solid red? Let's now add multiple values to this. So let's add multiple. Let's say we want to add another value. You can use text align inside this one also. Text align center. And we add text align center to this one. It's going to shift to the center. And if you want to change the color of this second one also, you can just write color is equal to red. Let's change it to blue. I give it blue. Reload your document. Can you see it's changed to blue? And this one also we can add text align center to it. Text align center. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see it came to the back? Come to the back. Can you see everything is looking nice now the way we want? So as you can see, this is an inline styling of the CSS. You can choose the one you prefer. So as you can see, it's all looking nice and it's all nice. So but me, I will prefer the external one. But anytime I will be teaching you guys, I'll be using the internal one every time I'm teaching you guys, so that you can be able to see what you are doing lively. But if I notice the code is going to be too long, then I'm going to switch to the external ways. So I've explained how we can use it in external way also. You can check our previous tutorial on how to style CSS. So I have the playlist on the in our channel right here. So how to add CSS, you can find it in our channel. So Anwar akorede is my name. And before I go, let's check our document right here so we can see that we have completed all this. As you can see, an inline style loses many of the advantages of a style sheet by mixing content with presentations. Use this method sparingly. So that is to say, this inline styling is not really if you want to use it at your own convenience. As you can see, it's nice also, but as you can see, it's going to make your document look somehow rough and have a long text So that's why I will not be using it every time. So I'll just be switching it all over every time I want to use something for you guys. So make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Let's say for instance now, this one now, you remove all the styles. And let's say for instance you remove this style attribute now, you just write S. Let's save it and see if this is going to work. Can you see it's normal working again? Let's remove everything. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not more working again? So definitely the style attribute is going to be the one that is going to take the value of the CSS type which you want to specify inside your document. Practice it so you can be able to understand it better. So I think let's reload now. It's working perfectly. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time into our next tutorial. Have a great day.